Welcome to Upstart Plus. In this video, I will show you how to remove a phone number from Google account. Maybe you want to change your phone number in Google, or your phone was lost and you want to update new phone number in Google account. So in that case, follow this guide. I will show you how to remove stored phone number in Google and how to remove phone number from two-factor auth as well. To do that, go to google.com and log in. After that, click your profile picture icon at the top right. Click Manage your Google account. Click Personal Info from the left side. Select Phone. And from here, select the phone you want to delete. Because you may have multiple phone numbers here, you can delete them one by one. And then to delete it, I'll press Trash icon. To delete phone number from two-factor auth, go back to previous page again, and from here click Security and Sign In from the left. Scroll down, select two-step verification phones. You will have to log in to see that page. After that, from here, you can delete this phone number by clicking Trash icon. You can add a new phone number from this page as well. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.